At Summit Services, keeping your home warm and comfortable is always our priority. Our team delivers dependable heating solutions designed for efficiency and peace of mind. We proudly provide professional heating services in Bluffton, South Carolina, for homeowners who value comfort and reliability. From routine maintenance to full system replacements, we're here to help. We believe comfort should never be uncertain. That's why we focus on proactive solutions that help prevent unexpected breakdowns. We take time to assess your system thoroughly before recommending the best course of action. Clear explanations and honest guidance are always part of our process. Homeowners across Bluffton trust us for our professionalism and consistent workmanship. We treat every home with respect and every customer like family. Whether you need heating repairs, seasonal maintenance, or a new installation, we're ready to assist. Call us today at 843-836-2653 or visit callsummitservices.com/products/heating. Summit Services, reliable comfort year after year.